Now the sound from this headphone is impressive. The JBL Tune 510 is one of the best budget-friendly headphones you can get on the market, but unfortunately, this doesn't come with active noise cancellation. However, you do get a button to activate Google Assistant. Now here's everything you need to know about this pair of budget-friendly headphones. Unboxing is pretty simple. The JBL Tune 510 BT comes in this nice looking lightweight packaging. Inside the box you would find the JBL Tune 510, a USB Type-C charging cable in this vibrant orange color, a safety and warranty card, and a quick start guide. And that's everything you do get in the box. So there are 4 color options you can choose from. The JBL Tune 510 comes in blue, white, rose, and black, which is the exact color I have here with me. Okay, the JBL Tune 510 BT has a simple design and build, and it looks premium. Is it plastic? Someone might be asking. Every physical part on the JBL Tune 510 BT is solid plastic with this matte finish, and the ear caps are super splash, making the headphones comfortable to put on. I wasn't even surprised because I handed over this to a friend to have a feel of it, and that was the exact same thing he mentioned, and he was really impressed about how soft the ear caps are. Both the ear caps and headband is a full leather padding, and the headband is adjustable to fit any head shape or size. On the right ear speaker has all the control buttons at the bottom. Increase, decrease volume button, play button which also doubles as a voice assistant button, LED light indicator. It also has a built-in microphone and a power button. One thing I noticed is the buttons are clicky and very responsive. There's even a chime when the headphones is powered on, and also there's a chime that indicates you have reached the maximum volume, like this. Now long story short, they are decently comfortable on the head, lightweight, and the headbands feel comfortable as well. They do not clamp too tight on your head, and this is very good for long listening sections. Let's talk about sound quality. Now the JBL Tune 510 BT delivers. The audio on this pair of headphones is pure magic. I mean, whether you are jamming to your favorite beats, this headphone will take your music experience to a new level. In my opinion, I think the bass profile is very good, and the instrumentals and vocals are clear as well. However, sometimes at 100% volume, that's what I noticed, at 100% volume, everything is too loud to listen to. I would prefer somewhere around 90 to 80%, which is pretty loud as well, but everything sounds good at that volume level. Also, there's no high-res audio on the JBL Tune 510 BT, but it still delivers quality listening experience. Okay, so this part of the voiceover was recorded using the internal microphones on the JBL Tune 510 Bluetooth headphones, and yeah, this is the quality you should be getting. Anyways, what do you think about the audio quality? And let me know down in the comment section. Now, I was able to speak to a few of my friends, and they all confirmed they could hear me clearly. Now, the JBL Tune 510 BT comes with Bluetooth 5.0, and pairing this headphone to your smartphone or laptop is super easy. The connection is super consistent and is stable as well. The headphone can also pair up to 2 devices simultaneously without any issue. I tried this out and it worked perfectly. I'll talk more about that later in the video. So in terms of pairing, this can be your laptop and smartphone. JBL calls it multi-point connection. Now, to use this feature, you need to make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your other device or other smartphone. Pick up the headphones, then you long press on both the volume up button and the play button for 2 seconds. Now you can confirm multi-point has kicked in when you see the blue LED light blinking, and you can go ahead to pair your secondary device. Very simple. The switch from here is very seamless, so for this to work on both devices, you just need to make sure your primary device has its sound paused, then on your secondary device you hit play, and voila, there you go. The sound is going to transition from your primary device to your secondary device. On the software side, unfortunately, there's no companion app for the JBL Tune 510 BT. So there's no way you can make some changes to how it's going to sound and like have some other features to play around with. But if you use a Samsung device, then you can try out the Dolby Atmos on this device, and it's also going to give you a good listening experience. So how good is the battery? Battery life has been amazing, if I'm going to be real with you. So you can go a whole day on these headphones and you still have some juice left for the next day. A full charge can take up to 2 hours, and I mean, using the USB Type-C cable it came with, or you can use any other Type-C cable if you just don't prefer using this short cable to charge your headphones. Now, before I talk about what I don't like about these headphones, which some of you might relate to, here are some interesting features you need to know about the JBL 510 headphones. So you can get up to 2 hours of music playtime when you charge these headphones for only 5 minutes, which is very impressive. They even have it written on the box here, and as you can see, 5 minutes for 2 hours of music playtime. Now, what do you think is missing here? The JBL 510 BT is simple, with a simple design, lightweight, and with good battery life as well. But it would have been very interesting to see them add a 3.5mm jack to these headphones, because not everyone likes to use Bluetooth always. Now, the second thing is the lack of the companion app. So if at least this device had a companion app, there are certain features we could have had access to, and I think that would have helped a lot. However, this is still a good budget headphones with good isolation, heavy bass, and a higher sound quality you can buy. When you hand over these headphones to someone, they are definitely going to tell you, wow, this sounds impressive. Like this video if you found it useful, and thank you, Fish, for sending this over for me to review for you guys. So you guys should help me thank her, and yeah, she knows herself. She knows herself. Leave me a comment. I would like to know what you think. Would you buy the JBL 510 BT Bluetooth headphones, or let me know your recommendations down in the comment section.